Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change position of the back button on Vivo. If you are using Vivo phone and now you want to change position of these back buttons, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to open settings. In settings, just look for system or system management. Here's the system management, just select it, and here you will get system navigation. Select it. If you want to use gesture navigation, you can easily select it, but I'm going to customize the back buttons. So you have two orders of navigation keys. Here's the navigation keys I have selected. Now select the second one. But if you want to change this key, you just have to select this one and the shape of these keys will be changed, and that's how you can easily customize your back buttons or navigation systems and your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.